Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to utilize and find the Red Alert 3 effect on CapCut. So initially you're going to want to go onto Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to Nightclub, and then we're going to scroll down to find the Red Alert 3 effect. It's going to be all the way at the bottom. Now we're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, and we're going to actually check out how this effect looks. Okay, that's pretty cool. And we can either elongate it for the entire clip, or we can choose a specific area we want this effect to start, being utilized. So let's leave it when my sister misses the catch of the phone. Also, with the effect being highlighted, we can go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the strength of the effect as well. So let's take a look. And there you have the Red Alert 3 effect. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.